Hello and welcome to HomilyWriterAI. My name is Giuseppe Njualem and I'm a Catholic seminarian for the Diocese of St. Thomas in the US Virgin Islands. I'm also the builder of HomilyWriterAI, and I built HomilyWriterAI specifically to help Catholic priests and deacons prepare faithful, thoughtful, and pastorally grounded homilies without replacing the priest's own prayer, study, judgment, or voice. Now, that distinction matters for us at HomilyWriterAI. In light of the Church's growing reflection on artificial intelligence, including the concerns raised by Pope Francis and Pope Leo XIV, HomilyWriterAI is intentionally designed as a co-creation and research assistant, not as an artificial preacher. The priest remains in charge at every single step. In this short video, I want to show you how to start using HomilyWriterAI well. When you visit HomilyWriterAI.com, click Sign In at the top of the page. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In to go to your dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset it. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up and create one. It only takes a moment. Once you are signed in, you will arrive at your dashboard. From here, you can create a new homily, view saved homilies, add your preaching voice, save parish context, set preaching guardrails, and access premium AI chat. To begin, click Create New Homily. You will see two options, Guided Research and Quick Draft. Quick Draft is there for days when you have very little time. Guided Research is the recommended workflow, and that is what we will walk through now. The first thing you will do is fill out the Prepare form. Start with the Scripture Passages field. This is the only required field. Enter the readings for the occasion, separated by commas. Then use the drop-downs to select the liturgical occasion, the target audience, the homily length, 7 minutes is the default and recommended, and the homily language. Below those, you have three optional fields that are worth taking seriously. Parish context is where you describe the community you are preaching to. You can load a saved one or type it in. Preaching guardrails are your standing preferences, things to emphasize, things to avoid, or theological boundaries you want respected. And specific instructions is an optional field where you can name any saints, documents, or pastoral angles you want included. When you are ready, click Begin Research. The tool will now spend 3 to 5 minutes consulting Catholic sources, church fathers, and theological resources. When the research appears, read through it. You do not need to use everything. It is a resource for you, not a mandate. You can also review the specific instructions field, which carries over from what you entered before moving on. Click Discern Direction when you are ready. This is the most important moment in the workflow. The tool will suggest a few possible preaching directions based on the research, but you make the call. In the chosen preaching direction field, write the direction you want this homily to take. You can build on one of the suggestions, write your own, or name the pastoral question your parish is carrying right now. Then click Create Outline. HomilyWriterAI will create a structured outline built on the research and the direction you chose. You can edit it directly, just click into it and make changes. The final draft will follow whatever the outline says after your edits. Below the outline, choose a preaching approach if you want one. Fully custom is the default and recommended, but you can also choose didactic, conversational, expository, inspirational, narrative, or topical. You can also add a personal story or parish moment, a true story or local situations you want woven into the homily, and any final draft notes before the draft is written. When you are satisfied with the outline, click Write My Homily. HomilyWriterAI will now bring together the research, your chosen direction, and the edited outline into a complete draft. When it appears, read it carefully, personalize it, and make it yours before you save it. Then, save it to your dashboard. Once your homily is saved, there is quite a bit more you can do with it. If you want to revise the whole homily, click Request Edit and describe the changes you want. But if you only want to change a specific line or phrase, simply highlight the text directly in the homily and a small panel will appear asking how you want it revised. You can type your instruction or speak it. This makes targeted edits very fast. From the same page, you can click Create Opening Story to generate a story that ties directly into your homily, or create prayers of the faithful to generate intercessions that build on the theme of your homily. both ready to download or print. You can also download the full homily as a PDF, share it, and much more. One more feature worth knowing is Premium AI Chat, which gives you direct access to leading AI models inside HomilyWriterAI. Beyond homily creation, you can use these for broader pastoral, teaching, administrative, and parish communication work without leaving the platform.
Welcome again to HomilyWriterAI. I'm grateful you are here, and I pray this tool serves your ministry well. God bless.